So when we're identifying solutions to any type of a situation like this, you're just plugging in the number for u. So here's my u. These are the numbers we want to plug in. So what we're trying to decide is if -5 works. If u is -5, will this work? So 9 plus 5 times -5 is -25. -25 plus 9 is a -16. Is that less than -16? Since it's equal to, it cannot be less than, so we'll put a no right there. Then we try -9. So we have 9 plus 5 times -9. We want to know if that's less than -16. So we just keep trying these, and when we add 9 to -45, we get -34. Let me think here a minute. So we do 45 minus 9, no, 36. How many of you guys do that same mistake I just did? Is that less than -16? Yes, it definitely is. I guess you didn't have to finish figuring it out. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 9 is 44. That is definitely not less than a negative number. And then 5 times 2 is 10, plus 9 is 19, and that is not less than. Now, you may have more than one that works. You may have none of them that work. You may have all of them that work. So you just have to try them and see. So we're going to plug in 8 for W. So let's see what we get when we plug in 8. -8 times 8 is -64. Minus 6 is a bigger negative number, -70. And we want to know, is -54 greater than or equal to -70? And it is. So that will work. Then we're going to try -4. So -4 times -8 is a positive 32. Minus 6 is 26, and we want to know if -54 is bigger than 26, and we're going to put no, definitely not. Then we're going to try 6 for W. -8 times 6 is negative. Let's see, 8 times 6 is 48. Yeah, 48. Minus 6 is even smaller number. So let's see, -54. Because we have the or equal to sign, we can put yes, that's true, because it is equal to -54. And one more, we'll try 2. So -8 times 2 is -16. Minus 6 is -22. And we want to know if -54 is greater than that. No, definitely not. It's a lot smaller. So there's 4. Looks like there's going to be 4 in all of our tables. So we'll just try one more. All we're doing is plugging in. Okay, so we're just plugging in for V. So 0, when V is 0. So we have 7 times 0 is 0. Plus 3 is 3. Is 3 less than or equal to -60? It's not. -60 is way smaller. So 0 does not work. We're going to try -9 times 7. -63 plus 3 is -60. Is that less than or equal to? It is. So if you have the equal to sign, these two can be the same. If you do not, then they cannot be the same. So let's see, -60 is equal to. So that's a yes, yes. Okay, what about -10? So we have -10 times 7 is -70 plus 3 is -67. Is that less than or equal to -60? It is. Yes, it is. So we'll put yes. And then 9, my guess is going to be no, because 9 is so much bigger, but let's try it. 7 times 9, 63, plus 3 is 66. That's definitely not less than a negative number. So it's no, which was what I predicted. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.